सर आईपी वर्जन 4 पर है।
ओके
फिर उसमें क्लास फुल में क्लास ए देख रहे थे।
ओके बोर्ड आपको विजिबल है?
यस सर।
कहाँ तक हो गया था? क्लास ए हो गया था ना? नाउ वी डिस्कस क्लास बी. In class B, the 32 bits divides are 4 octets. These two octets for network ID part and these two octets for host ID part. Both contain 16 bits. What is the range of class B? These two bits are reserved for identification.
सर ये ऑक्टेट है ना 4?
Yes, this one is octet. This is first octet. Now, what is the first address? All 6 bits are 0. That is 128. What is the last? All 6 bits are 1. That is 191. The range क्या हो गया? What is the range? Range 122, 191. 128 to 191. 128 to 191. Clear? The range of the class B network is 128 to 190. Total number of IP address in class B equal to 2 की power 30. Clear?
तो थोड़ी सी स्पीड स्लो कर दीजिए, बहुत फास्ट हो रहा है.
Total number of IP addresses in class B is 2 की power 30. Next, number of networks in class B. How many number of bits remaining? 14. 2 की power 14 number of networks in class B. Number of IP addresses per network. How many number of bits in host ID part? 16. Then it is 2 की power 16. Number of usable IP address or host. Number of host or usable IP address, both are same. Per network equal to 2 की power 16 minus 2. Why minus 2? First one, all bits are 0 in host ID part. It is reserved for network identification, and all bits are in host ID part are ones. It is used for broadcasting. Clear? So this is the class B. Please note down this. हो गया? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will discuss class C. In class C, 3 octet are reserved for network ID and 1 octet for host ID part. It means network ID contain 24 bits and host ID part contain only 8 bits. What is the range of class C? This is first octet. First 3 bits are reserved for network identification. Clear? Then first address is all 0. It means it is 92, 192. If all bits are 1, then it means this is 223. So the range of the class C network is 192 to 223. Is it clear? Clear है?
Yes.
Now, total number of IP address in class C 2 की power 29, because 3 bits are reserved for identification. Remaining, how many bits are remaining? 29 bits are remaining. Total network in class C, how many number of bits in remaining in network ID part? 21 bits. So 2 की power 21. Number of IP address per network in class C 2 की power 8, because 8 bits are available in host ID part. Number of host or usable IP address per network, total minus 2. First is reserved for network identification and last is reserved for broadcasting. Clear?
Yes, sir.
फोन पे बता दूंगा, जब भी आपको कुछ हो तो मैं फोन पे बता दूंगा. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt
Yes,
in
sir.
class C, class B, class B, class C, class D? Any doubt?
सर ये रेंज कैसे निकालते हो आप?
रेंज में बता दो, देखिएगा किस क्लास की रेंज निकालें आप बताओ।
सी क्लास की।
क्लास सी की तो देखिएगा ये 4 ऑक्टेट है, मतलब हर ऑक्टेट में 8 बिट्स है।
यस।
अब क्लास सी में नाउ क्लास सी इन क्लास सी 24 bits for network ID and 8 bits for host ID. Is it clear?
यस सर।
For range, find out the range, we consider first octet. Okay. यार नीतीश सर बोल रहे थे कि मैं जाऊंगा तो अभी सबकी मीटिंग होगी, बोले मैं सारी फैकल्टीज को बुला के बता दूंगा। वो 1:30 बजे बोला था उन्होंने। वो उन्होंने मुझे बोला। These are the 8 bits. Okay. For
Yes.
class C, 3 bits are reserved for identification. These are 1 1 0. Now we have only 5 bits. So first, what is the first network? All bits are 0. What is the last? 1 1 0 1 1 0. Convert into decimal. This number is 192 and this number is 223. Clear?
यस।
Now come to the class D. Class D. It is used for multicasting. The range of this network is the range of class D is 224 to 239. There is no host ID part or no network ID part. Only 4 bits are reserved for identification. First 4 bits for first octet, first 4 bits are reserved for identification. Clear? Now class E. The range of the class E is 240 to 255. It is reserved for future. Clear? This is total class full address. क्लियर है?
Yes.
एनी डाउट? एनी डाउट?
सर ये जो है रिजर्व फॉर फ्यूचर मतलब अभी यूज में नहीं है।
हाँ, दिस इज नॉट यूज्ड राइट नाउ. चलिए नेक्स्ट है आपका कास्टिंग की बात करते हैं. व्हाट इज कास्टिंग? What is casting? How to send a packet from one host to another host is known as casting. Casting are two types. First one is unicast. Second is broadcast. What is unicast? One to one. Suppose this is the host, this is the network, and this is another network. We can send packet from one host to another host. This is known as unicast. Second is broadcast. What do you mean by the broadcast? If this host wants to send data from all hosts in this network, is known as broadcast. Clear? Broadcast is again two types. limited broadcast and directed broadcast. Limited broadcast and directed broadcast. What do you mean by the limited broadcast? Suppose this is the network, these are the hosts. When we send a packet to all hosts within a network, अगर ये host इन सबको data send करना चाहता है, then it is called limited broadcast. What is a directed broadcast? When we send a data from one network to another network for all hosts, we use directed broadcast address. Directed broadcast. DBR. Directed broadcast address. Clear? Note कर लें.
सर ये दोनों एक बार वापस से बता दीजिए.
Limited broadcast कहते हैं. What is limited broadcast? When we send a packet to all hosts within a network, that is known as limited broadcast address. When we send a data from another host to another network to all hosts, then we use directed broadcast address.
Okay sir, thank you.
सर सर दोनों साथ में भी हो सकते हैं?
नहीं, साथ में कैसे हो सकते हैं? दोनों साथ में. What do you mean by the साथ में?
सर मतलब सेम नेटवर्क और डिफरेंट नेटवर्क में नहीं सेंड कर सकते पैकेट?
नहीं, देखिए जब आपको सेम नेटवर्क में सारे होस्ट को डेटा सेंड करना है तो यू कैन यूज लिमिटेड ब्रॉडकास्ट एड्रेस. इफ यू वांट टू सेंड पैकेट टू अनदर होस्ट टू अनदर नेटवर्क टू ऑल होस्ट, देन यूज डायरेक्टेड ब्रॉडकास्ट एड्रेस. क्लियर और नॉट?
यस सर.
हेलो, रियली में क्लियर है या बस ऐसे ही मान लिया? क्लियर हुआ है या नहीं?
यस सर.
चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. देखिए, दिस इज द वन नेटवर्क. द नेटवर्क एड्रेस इज 20.0.0.0. देयर आर too many hosts in this network. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the host 6. If 6 wants to send packet to all the hosts, then it is within a network, मतलब same network, then it is used limited broadcast address. Broadcast address. Clear? LB clear हुआ? What is limited broadcast address? Yes or no?
Sir, only 6 is host na? Or
these are 6 hosts. These
Okay.
are 6 hosts in network, in this network. And host 6 wants to send packet to host 1, host 2, host 3, host 4, host 5. Then we use limited broadcast address. Okay, this is another network. The network address is 21.0.0. There are so many hosts. If this wants to send data to all these hosts, then it is used directed broadcast address. Clear? What is the directed broadcast address? Suppose the IP address of this host is 20.0.0.2 and the network address for this network is 21.0. So what is the source address and destination address? Suppose this is the message, this is source address and this is the destination address. For ye 6 wants to send packet to all hosts in network this B. Then what is the source address? This is the source address. And what is the destination address? The destination address is this. This is the class A network. We put all bits 1 in host ID part, means 255.255.255. This is the broadcast address for this network. Clear?
Yes, sir.
आप अगर किसी को लेटर भेजते हो तो उस पे अपना सोर्स टू और फ्रॉम दोनों लिखते हो ना?
Yes,
तो
sir,
टू
वो
में तो ये
255
डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस आ गया, फ्रॉम में ये।
सर वो थॉट कि वो इंडिविजुअली सेंड कर रहा है सारा, वो 255 वाला नहीं था। अब
नहीं,
क्लियर है
और if 6 wants to send data to all these hosts, so what is the destination address? All bits, 32 bits are two ones. This is
destination
LBA,
address
limited for.
address क्या है?
Yes, this is the destination address in case of limited broadcast address. It means host 6 wants to send packet same network to all the hosts. Is it clear? Yes or no? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any other doubt? Sure. Do some questions. Suppose the IP address is this. Identify this IP address belong to which class? Also find the network ID part and the limited broadcast address and directed broadcast address. Please do this question. Have you done this? Have you done? आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी?
Yes, sir. आ रही है.
हो गया? फिर ये क्यों नहीं आ रही है जो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ? हो गया कि नहीं हुआ?
नहीं सर, नहीं हुआ.
चलिए देखिएगा, स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट है ये 1 है, तो क्लास ए की रेंज क्या कहती थी? क्लास ए क्या कहता था? इसकी रेंज जो है, व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ क्लास ए? 1 to 126. क्लास बी की रेंज 128 to 191. क्लास सी की रेंज 190 to 223. तो दिस नंबर, ये नंबर कहाँ से बिलोंग कर रहा है? इट बिलोंग्स टू द क्लास ए. दिस इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू द क्लास ए. तो व्हाट इज द नेटवर्क आईडी फॉर दिस? Network ID for this is the class A network. In class A, only 8 bits for network ID. This is the network ID. Put all zeros, remaining 24 bits. When we put all zeros in 3 octets, it will be 000. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this question? Any doubt? How to find the network ID? Clear?
Clear.
नेटवर्क आईडी की
What is
तो
the-
8 बिट्स होते हैं, तो फिर हमने 4 ही क्यों लिखे?
हाँ, 4 कहाँ लिखे हैं? 8 लिखे हैं, 4 कहाँ लिखे हैं? ये पूरे ऑक्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. दिस रिप्रेजेंट कंप्लीट ऑक्टेट. दिस रिप्रेजेंट कंप्लीट ऑक्टेट. दिस रिप्रेजेंट कंप्लीट
Decimal?
ऑक्टेट. Decimal, it is it is denoted in decimal form.
Yes, sir.
If we represent this into bits, then 2, 3, 4 तो नहीं आएगा. What is the limited broadcast address? Put all ones in 32 bits. When we put all ones, this comes 255.255.255.255. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the directed broadcast address? When we put all ones in host ID part, so how many number of bits for host ID part? 24 bits. It means all 3 octets are 11111. It means what is the directed broadcast address? 1.255.255.255. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes. Any doubt?
सर डायरेक्टेड ब्रॉडकास्ट तो दूसरे में भेजना था ना?
हाँ, अरे हमने ये मान के चल रहे हैं, सपोज मान के चल रहे हैं कि कोई यहाँ
उसकी भी
अगर
ID सेम है.
भेजेगा. सुनिए तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, मेरी बात सुनिए. हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं, यहाँ हमने सपोज कर लिया है कोई और हमें अगर भेजेगा पूरे नेटवर्क में, तो उसका डायरेक्टेड ब्रॉडकास्ट एड्रेस ये है. क्लियर?
ओके सर.
फाइंड आउट द नेक्स्ट.
सर 10.000 और फिर 255 4 times and 10.255 3 times.
क्लियर हुआ?
तो ये क्लास कैसे डिसाइड करा?
यार क्लास ए की रेंज हमने आपको बताई थी ना, 1 से लेकर 126 होती है. तो सी द फर्स्ट ऑक्टेट. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? 1.
यस सर.
तो इट बिलोंग्स टू द क्लास ए.
यस ओके सर।
क्लास ए की रेंज बताई ना आपको, क्लास ए, क्लास बी, क्लास सी की रेंज बताई ना।
यस सर।
Do next question. If the IP address is 130.1.2.3 and 200.1.2.4, what is the network ID, what is the linear broadcast address, and what is the directed broadcast address?
सर 130.1.0.0
130.1.
0.
0.0, 225.225.225.
What is the DBA?
131
130.1 125.5
Yes or no? Because this is belong to the class B.
Yes.
So the range of the class B is 128 to 191. What is the next?
200.1.2.
Class C.
This is belong to the class
Zero.
C. Number of bits in network part 24 and host ID contain 8 bits. What is the DBA? LBS same. What is the DBA? 200.1.2.255.
25.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you any doubt till
No,
this question? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Hello.
no sir.
चलिए आज के लिए इतना सफिशिएंट है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी विल डिस्कसिंग सबनेटिंग.
सर क्लास ए का कोई एग्जाम्पल हो?
हाँ क्लास ए का हमने एग्जांपल किया था अभी 1.2.3.4. दिस इज बिलोंग टू द क्लास. ये भी सेम, ये भी क्लास ए का ही था. दिस इज ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू द क्लास 125.1.2.3.200. This is also belongs to the class A. This is the decimal notation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the DBA for this 125.255.255.255.255? Because in class A, first octet is belong to the network ID part and remaining 3 octets belong to the host ID part. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
चलिए अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कशन करेंगे सबनेटिंग.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir.
सर लीड कर सकते हैं.